Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I will be unboxing the all-new Motorola Moto G6 Play. Of course, this is on Boost Mobile, and I am very fortunate to be unboxing this phone. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. This will be a detailed unboxing and first look. Now, turning the box around, you will see some specs up here. Has a 5.7-inch HD touchscreen display, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, has 3G, 4G LTE plus with 2x20 carrier aggregation, and HPUE. Has a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 13 megapixel main with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Let's go ahead and just rip open this back. And we have a really nice green Motorola box here. Let's go ahead and flip it around here. And it just says that it includes the Moto G6 Play, charger, cables, and guides. Let's just go ahead here and open this box up. And right on top here, you will see the device. Let's go ahead and pop this phone out, and we'll set to the side for a moment and see what and all does come in the box. We have a SIM removal tool there. Also here, we have your Motorola legal safety regulatory stuff here. And it looks like that it comes with a case. Really nice to see a case come with the Moto G6 Play. Was definitely not expecting that at all. And of course, here is the wall adapter here, or the wall plug. And this is a 2 amp charger. And of course, right here we do have what appears to be still a micro USB charging cable, so no USB Type-C here on this device. Let's go ahead here. We'll put all this stuff up and we will look at the phone. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is wow, this thing looks amazing. I was really honestly not expecting the Moto G6 Play to actually look this good, but it does look very nice. Got that really nice shiny look there in the back. It's kind of like a darkish blue color. Now let's just go ahead and take a look at the phone here. Top here, of course, is your camera and your flash. Here is your fingerprint scanner back here in the Moto dimple area. On the bottom, you will see it has a micro USB charging port there, microphone. On the left side here, you have your SIM and SD tray right there. It's a combo. On top, you do got a 3.5 millimeter headset jack as well as a secondary mic. And on the right here, you have a little textured power button as well as a volume rocker there. On the front, you have your receiver, camera, front flash. I'm glad they kept the front flash. And on here, it says 4,000 milliamp hour rapid charging, a 5.7-inch Max Vision display HD Plus. This is an 18:9 display ratio with 720 by 1440, 13 megapixel camera with fast focus, a quad-core processor, fingerprint reader, and expandable memory. And it says Motorola down there at the bottom. Let's go ahead and rip off this screen protector here. And I gotta say, this phone just looks really nice, y'all. I mean, I ain't even kidding with you. It does have some kind of like protective cover, I believe, over the back here. It feels like down here there is something you can peel off, but for the time being, I'm gonna leave it on there. But yeah, look at that. That is just amazing looking, y'all. Let's go ahead and give this phone its first boot up. I'm getting kind of excited to see how this phone's gonna work. Got the Motorola there, powered by Android. Nice vibrant display. And so yes, I am very anxious to try this phone out. Now, looking at the specs here, most people are going to say it's not really a step up from the Moto E4 or E4 Plus with the 2 gigabytes of RAM and the ROM being 16 gigabytes. I'm really kind of glad that they done away with that annoying intro and just kind of stuck with that. And with the same quad-core 427 that was in the Moto E4 Plus, but we're going to check some things out. So I'm going to get this phone here all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, everyone, so we're set up and ready to go. I got to say that I'm loving this more premium build and look here that Motorola gave the Play series here on the G6. It just looks amazing. It feels amazing. Got a 5.7-inch display. It is 720 by 1440, 18 by 9 ratio. And it just looks and feels really nice. Now the fingerprint scanner is already set up. Let's go ahead and try that out. So it's not the fastest in the world, but it does seem to work every single time. Very reliable. Got a nice little haptic feedback there whenever you press it. So really nice here on this device. Now here is your main home screen. Scroll over here for your Google, and you can scroll up here for all your apps just on the phone. Got some bloatware like Amazon Shopping, Facebook, Caller ID, Lookout, Prime Video, stuff like that. And then of course when you activate it on Boost Mobile, you get all their preloaded bloatware stuff that you can either delete or disable, so that's kind of a nice thing as well. Now get your drop down here, of course, so really nice drop down. Wi-Fi, SIM card, invalid because it's not activated yet. Wi-Fi calling, which is not available on Boost Mobile at the moment, unfortunately. Got Dolby Audio, flashlight, rotate, Bluetooth, airplane mode. You can edit those as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings here and look around. Got network and internet, Wi-Fi calling, of course, not available. Wi-Fi, cellular networks, data usage, hotspot and tethering, and VPN. Got connected devices here like Bluetooth, Cast, and printing USB services there. So don't look like there's any NFC on this device. Now battery here does have battery saver on or off, battery percentage, adaptive brightness, sleep. So that's, you can change that all in the battery. And it shows what's been using here in the last little bit. Now we'll scroll down here to display, and in display you have brightness level, adaptive brightness, your color mode. So you can go in here and change it from warm to neutral to cool, standard to vibrant. You can change all this stuff around to give you the best experience for you for the display. Wallpaper, and you got advanced, so you got the sleep here again as well, device rotation, font size, display size, and screensaver. Now, of course, you got sound, which sound here is pretty much, self-explanatory. You got Dolby Audio here that you can press for equalizers and all this kind of cool stuff going on here. So you can go in here and change all of this stuff to give you the best sound that you want on your Moto G6 Play. Now, advanced here shows the phone ringtone, notification, alarms, all this stuff right here, emergency broadcast, and all that really nice stuff there. Now storage here, it does have 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and 5.25 is already used, so that's not too bad. You can also add an SD card for this pictures, videos, and music, and this phone might be able to use adaptable storage. I don't know at the moment. I will test that out and find out and let y'all know at a later time. Now security and location, you have Google Play Protect, Find My Device, security updates there. You got screen lock, lock screen preferences. You can have it showing everything or hiding everything. Also got smart lock here, which you have on body detection. You have trusted places, trusted devices, trusted face, and trusted voice. So all those really neat features there on this device that I will get into more in a full review. Now you have the location, so passwords, and all that stuff right there as well. And this phone does run 8.0 Oreo out of the box, so yeah, really nice to see a phone here come out with 8.0. Let's go back home here, and we'll just kind of browse around a little bit more. You got the dialer here, so of course your standard dialer. Got your messages as well, and it does have Gboard on here, already nice. Got your emojis. They are the newer looking emojis, it looks like to me, so plenty of them to look by here, and you can download more as you wish off the Play Store. And so take a quick look here at the camera, and we will see what we have going on in here. Now, your basic Motorola layout here. Got these buttons here for video mode, panorama, slow motion, and professional mode. Professional mode, really nice. You can change all of this stuff here. You also got the slow motion, which I always love slow motion. I think that's really kind of awesome to use. Video, panorama, and back into photo mode here. HDR mode, flash, and self timer. Scroll over here, you have your shutter sound, quick capture, save location. It does have a 13 megapixel rear camera, and it drops down from there. And you can tap anywhere to capture, sensitive grid, and it does record in full HD, 1080, 30 frames per second, 720p, and 480, all at 30 frames per second. Let's go to the front-facing camera. And there I am. Now the front facing camera so far looks pretty good and the flash is already on. Let's just take a little picture here. Alright, so picture's taken. Let's go ahead and scroll over here and see how the picture does look. So zooming in, and the picture looks very detailed here on my end. It does look really good. So yeah, interested to see how the camera on this thing will be. Now scrolling over here, got shutter sound, quick capture, photo size is a 5 megapixel camera here on this device, and video is 1080, 720, and 480, all at 30 frames per second. So really nice phone so far, feels really nice, looks really nice. So now this phone here is not a big upgrade as far as spec wise to like the Moto E4, E4 Plus. Runs the same 1.4 gigahertz 427 processor. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM, so not a whole lot of difference there. But the phone just feels so much more premium, and it just looks so much better. And they did a great job here. Now let's go ahead and try it on the case and just see how the case does look and feel. So really nice. They included a case. Was not expecting that at all. So you still see that really nice color here in the case, and the case is very grippy, so very easy to hold on to. And so I mean, yeah, overall first thoughts and detailed look and everything else, this thing is sweet. I'm ready to activate it on Boost Mobile and try it out and see how it works. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. I hope you enjoy seeing this here on my channel. Any questions or comments, leave it below and I will get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I would appreciate it. Hit that bell for notifications of live streams, reviews, and everything else. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.